My name is Ronke Ojo Anthony, popularly known as Ronke Ojo. Okay, as you all know, I'm cooking a special meal with special ingredients. Okay, now let's go. Today I'll be cooking a foriro and wheat. Okay, with my special ingredients. I'll be using epo pupa. Epo pupa la wa mo pe. Epo pupa ni onirojo be. There was this particular day I wanted to go for rehearsals and my dad was around. When my dad noticed that I'm not at home, he was shouting, he will kill me today and everything. My mom started baking and stuff like that. But look at me today. Now this is my wheat. Pig can actually do more. You mix the wheat with the milk. You will pour it into a very, very hot water. Just like that. Wọ́n kò tẹ́ dẹ̀ máa ń like àwọn nǹkan tó máa ṣe.
Mo ti ẹ̀ ti rí ńlá
lórí àwọn ni mo fi sí.
Ó dùn yàtọ̀. Wọ́n mú sí torí wheat ó ṣe mẹ́lẹ́mẹ́lẹ́ lọ́dẹ̀ dùn lẹ́nu.
Pig milk ni mo fi sí. Sherry pig milk. Ó ní oríṣiríṣi èròjà tó ń ṣara lóore.
Ó mà dáa bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Àwa náà máa fi sí nílé nìyẹn.
Àbí o. So guys, I encourage you to cook for your mom using pig milk. Pig can do more.